How to fix Eero blinking blue, what does it mean, and how to solve it. So the Eero blinks blue, mostly because the Eero is in setup mode. It's waiting to be added to the Eero app, or it's trying to start a new Bluetooth pairing. So if that's the case, then for some reason your Eero is back in setup mode, just go ahead and do the setup again to however you did it the first time. But if that's not the case, then it could be because it lost connection and is trying to reconnect. If it does go solid blue, it is a Bluetooth setup mode for troubleshooting. And if it stays blinking for too long with blue, something is preventing it from completing setup or connecting to your network. So make sure your actual internet modem is online for your Eero over here. Make sure it's connected to the connection, the network, I mean, to your router. So you can make sure your modem has solid online lights, and if not, you can power cycle the modem. So just unplug the modem and wait for 20 to 30 seconds to plug back in. You can also power cycle the Eero as well, same with your modem. So you could either plug out whatever's turning it on from the outlet, or you can just unplug the actual wire from this section and just make sure to reset it, that you can refresh the Eero. So plug it back in maybe after a few seconds, let's say 10 seconds. You have to put that in mind. So make sure the actual Eero is not set up to setup mode. You can open the Eero app, tap add or replace Eero, follow the on-screen steps. If you previously set it up but it suddenly went blue, something disrupted the network, so you're gonna have to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes to let it reconnect. But those are the options you have to potentially help you fix this error and why it's happening. Well, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.